Since we came in with the sleds, clearly something has followed the path and it goes all the way to the lake we were on. Kind of looks like a canine of some sort. Coyote or wolf or something. Not sure. Well, we're out for our first winter hot tent camp trip of the season. Beautiful conditions. It was a balmy -18 when we left the car. And then there's a little bit of wind, but actually it feels so comfortable layered up. Beautiful trail here. We're just on our way to the next lake and we're gonna set up camp. All right. Woo!
We made it. Wow.
I think this will be camp for the night.
Yay.
Try to get some shelter from the wind.
Found a bunch of birch bark. Fire starter.
Fresh water. Nature's finest. Alright, so we're just gonna cover the hole so it doesn't freeze. The snow's gonna insulate it. Oh yeah, we got a boil. Awesome. Well, we processed some wood. Got a small stack. Gonna go process some more because it's supposed to drop down to minus 18 tonight. But right now, in the tent, it's a balmy 11 degrees. And we're gonna keep it simple, just do a rehydrated meal tonight. Found this nice piece of hardwood. Looks like a beaver chewed on it for us, and I think it's dried out. Anyways, it's a score. Thank you, Mr. Beaver. Hope I didn't mess up your dam project. Well, I think it's dry. Let me do the lip test. Apparently, if you put your lips up to it, you can feel if there's any moisture in the wood. I'm not really sure. I've never kissed the log before. I think it's dry. It smells good too. Beavers are awesome. It's so great to be winter camping again. We didn't get to go out last year because it was such a mild winter, but I think this year is going to be a good one. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Now for some dessert. Toast these bad boys up.
Butter with raspberry jam. A little bit toasty on that side, but otherwise very good.
Well, we had a pretty good sleep, made it through the night. I guess it dropped down to -22. We had a little bit of problems with the beaver wood, so there ended up being a lot of moisture in it. So the lip test, the kiss test, I don't know, I guess I did it wrong. But yeah, first time trying to use beaver wood, so I have to look it up, but I'm guessing they're always biting into trees that are living, maybe not so much dead wood. It makes sense there'd be a lot of moisture in it. Now we're gonna go explore the lake. I think we're gonna try a trail that leads to another lake, see what we can find, see if we see any animals or... Just came across this crack in the snow, but it's really a crack in the ice. We heard a lot of what sounded like cannons going off last night, and all sorts of weird sound, and it's the ice. And what happens is it heats up during the day and cools down at night. It got really cold last night, -22, and so it flexes and contracts and ends up cracking. But it's still totally safe to walk on. We measured it, it was about 8 inches yesterday from the hole we drilled. 4 inches is the minimum they say to walk on. Well, we didn't quite make it to the lake. We got to cross this, but we don't really want to get soakers, so I think we'll try to go a different way, or else go explore. There's another thing we wanted to explore back at the lake.
Whoa.
Keep seeing these paw prints. Don't know if it's a coyote or a wolf. Guessing coyote. Kind of looks like it's dragging a tail. Maybe a mouse or a rat. Definitely a lot of signs of beaver activity. Shouldn't draw me like that.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, went down my coat.
Oh no!
Went down my shirt.
And some jalapeno. How hot do we want it?
Max. Can always eat snow if it's too hot.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna preheat our pan here. Just pop it right in. Awesome. Look at that. Alright, let's get this bad boy hot. Some gnocchi. Alright, they're floating to the top, so gnocchi's done. Now we're just trying to finish off the steak.
Got gnocchi with red pepper, jalapeno, onions, and steak.
Let's do a taste test. We have to wear goggles because it got so smoky in here. Oh, that's good. Should have brought a steak knife, but that's so good. Oh, that's spicy. That's really good though.
Gourmet backcountry.
Mmm. Yum. Mmm. It's tender.
That's tender. Oh, looks like it warmed up to, is that -4? Wow.
Like a winter waterfall.
So cool.
Smooth. But it's also bubbly.
Right. Oh, we got a little more wood for tonight. That was pretty cool. We saw a woodpecker, chickadees, we heard crows, blue jays, weren't able to spot them. Last night, I thought I heard something walking around the tent, like something, like a canine of some sort. I don't know. Maybe it was a coyote, or I tried to pop out of the tent, but I didn't see anything. So maybe I was just hearing things. But we're seeing a lot of prints around. I also saw prints from a lot of different, I think they're partridge or grouse. There's supposed to be a snowstorm coming in. Just waiting for that. It's starting to get cloudy. That'll be beautiful. See if we can still get water from our hole. So we were wondering why we were getting so much back smoke into the tent. Decided to check down the pipe, pull it off, and it's a spark arrestor. Look, it's completely plugged. Now it did its job, but after one night, completely plugged like that. No wonder we were getting so much smoke cooking a steak and whatever. So gonna clean that out, but wow, look at that. It's like I'm brushing a giant tooth. Oh, look at that. Clean as a whistle. Back in business. What do we have here?
Little charcuterie board for snack, jalapeno crackers, cheese, and oysters.
Oh, looks like it's starting to snow. Beautiful. Get some fresh snow for leaving tomorrow. Oh, why hello. Welcome to our circus tent. Been a good day. It was fun doing that little exploration. Yeah. Checked out some of the scenery, hoping to catch some wildlife, and we saw a lot of prints around, and yeah, we ended up seeing a beautiful woodpecker right up close, and saw some chickadees, and then later we keep hearing little noises sometimes outside the tent. We go and check, but we haven't seen anything. I think we heard an owl out here tonight too. That was pretty cool. I'm guessing most likely a barred owl. I'd love to see a snowy owl. That would be pretty cool. But just listening to the snow hit our tent, we just kept it simple. We had a dehydrated meal, and now we're just kind of winding down.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate. That was good too.
Yeah.
Actually, I had 2 of them. I liked it so much. But yeah, just winding down now. And
it's snowing a little bit.
Yeah, you can hear it on the tent. So grateful to be out here. This is awesome. Love winter camping. Well, we're going to wind down. We'll see you in the morning. A little bit of chrysolite in there. Need a new toothbrush. Since we came in with the sleds, clearly something has followed our path and it goes all the way to the lake we were on. Kind of looks like a canine of some sort. I don't know, coyote or wolf or something, not sure.